Hello everyone, this is Pooja, studying at Keli Society's College of Education, Vidyanagar, Hubballi. Here is the presentation on multimedia, guided by Shri Viresh A. Kalkeri sir. We will learn about multimedia, meaning, concept, scope, and importance. Meaning, the term multimedia is derived from word multi and media, where multi means many and media is the medium of communication. Multimedia is combination of text, graphics, sound, animation and video to effectively communicate ideas to users. Multimedia is the combination of text, graphics, sound, animation and videos that is delivered interactively to the users by electronic or digital manipulated means. The concept of multimedia. The word has passed through a few revolutions, namely agricultural revolutions, automobile revolution and industrial revolution. It is currently the age of information revolution. The age of information revolution is dominated by a single most important technology known as information technology, popularly known as IT. IT deals with the data collection, data processing to generate information and information transmission. Multimedia is a communication service of the 21st century. It will be the power of knowledge age that is believed to come after information age. But what is in fact the communication? Nature has made three kinds of living things in the world: plants, animals and humans. But they have different level of communication power. Plants have no communicating power. Animals have very limited such powers, whereas humans have huge communicating power. It is conclusively established that the level of intelligence increases and enhances with communicating power. This has made us the humans what we are today. Communication provides service by which intelligence, knowledge base, and power of creating enhance. Therefore, it is imperative that improved communication service, flexible communication service, value added communication service, and integrated communication service are the need of ever and of any time. In that process, multimedia has come up as one of the immediate solution in 21st century. Multimedia is expected to achieve this enhanced feature by realizing communication service with different classic environments during, such as you see as I see, you feel as I feel, I enjoy as I like, I assess as I require. While offering services with such flavors, multimedia promises to transmit your message in your way. Your image is your fashion, your data in your format, your world in your mode. The scope of multimedia. The technology of multimedia design utilizes various features like animation, videos, graphics, audios, and sound to impress the users. Multimedia technology is uses for 3D cinema applications and mobile environments. Animation is also being used in clipping films, creating special effects, or in web entertainment programs. Third, scope of animation is huge in context to market. In the field of education, multimedia is being used extensively, especially for online courses and trainings. The importance of multimedia in classroom. Real world skills related to technology. The value of teamwork. Effectively collaboration techniques. The impact and importance to different medias. The challenges of communicating to different audience. How to present the information in compelling ways. Techniques for synthesizing and analyzing complex context. The importance of searching, planning and organism skills. The significance of presentation and speaking skills, how to accept and provide constructive feedback, how to exceed their ideas, creativity. There are, however, some constraints to using multimedia. in the classroom, including technological resource, both hardware and software, technological skills for both the students and teacher, time required to plan, design, develop, and evaluate multimedia activities. Thank you.